Okay, guys, my Green Flash Manucurist manicure lasted about 10 days. So not bad. Only 2 fingers went. And I think it was because I didn't seal them right and I also used them a lot. So I'm going to use their nail polish remover. And look how easy it is to remove these gel manicure. I absolutely love it without, harming my nails, the scraping and all that jazz that they do in salons. So I just soak the cotton balls and I put them on my fingers with the little clips that they provide. It's so easy. And I seriously just had to wait a couple of minutes and then you just pull it off and look at that. How incredible is it? It just peels right off. My nails don't have to be scraped and filed and buffed and whatever else it is that they do. They feel amazing. I love the almond oil that they provide. You add that to the cuticles and my hands look so healthy. Ready for the next mani.